Hey guys, I'm here with Silke, and as you can see she has a beautiful blonde color, but it's in the warmer side, and I want to create something cooler. So I'm going to do different tonalities of blonde within her own natural hair. Let's have some fun. To create this cool color, I'm gonna create a root shadow and bigger panels in mid-length and ends with two different tones of the cool blondes. Let's start. Ready with my root shadow. Now I'm gonna alternate two Colorance tones, big panels, big slices, to get really a cool result in the mid-length and ends. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do, then subscribe and follow us. See ya!